So we're at the roundabout of the beach. There's two sides of the beach. You can go to the left to the public side, which is where we're going, or you can go to the right to the hotel zone, which is where all of like the Tuluminati beach clubs are. But since we're locals, we are taking the public side of the beach. Look at this roundabout, guys. Crazy. This guy's about to hit us. There's Core. That's another resort, which we don't do resorts. And this is the archaeological zone on the public side. Look how beautiful this road is, guys. Honestly, it never gets old to me riding down this road to the public beach. One person is stopped, it causes the worst traffic. Here's one of the new beach clubs, Catano. They just opened up about a few weeks ago. More. It's beautiful as well. Guys, we made it to our favorite beach club, Kai. This is technically our beach club home. We literally come here probably on a weekly basis. Hello. Just got to Kai. Another work day in Tulum. Came here to work and obviously get some sunlight, maybe swim. Just got off the scooter. Got a little red here. You guys see? You guys, there's a tropical bird. I'm trying to get it. I think he flew away. Oh, it's like orange. Let me see. Closely. Where is it? Can you guys see it? Right there. Isn't that beautiful? Where I live, guys. You guys, this is my favorite part of Kai's Beach Club. So you have to walk through the bungalows to get to the actual restaurant and the beach. It's so beautiful. I haven't actually took a chance to stay here before. But I definitely should make plans because they're so cute. These bungalows here, they all have like their own personal, what do you call it? I guess balcony when you walk out with the couch, the lounge and sit. Look how beautiful this is. My friends are having dinner or lunch. Say hi to my vlog, guys. I'm gonna take you guys down and show you the water. beautiful beach day today, guys. So if you look over here, actually, you can actually do tours here. So if you see right here, these fishermen here, all these people, they offer snorkeling tours here in Tulum. They'll take you out far out. I don't know if you guys can see way out there. They take you far out there. You can snorkel, and then they'll drive you over there to the end of the beach, which is the ruins over there. I know if you guys see those hills up there, that's where the ruins are. This is my favorite beach club, guys. Like, my favorite. I literally come here maybe at least once or twice throughout the week. I come and watch the sunrise sometimes. I have a beach day here with my friends. Beautiful place. I would never think in 1,000 years that I would love a beach town like I do. But I'm totally a beach baby. Like, I didn't know it, but I am. And it's amazing. I'm thankful I'm able to be here every day and look at these things and enjoy these things. It's truly magnificent. Truly magnificent. I don't know how to do it. Aprendiendo español. Aprendiendo.